Hi guys, today we're gonna change a faucet in my RV camper in the bathroom in a shower. It was leaking and I just found out by coincidence. So later on I show you and what damage it actually did, because it was leaking behind it and ran down at the inside of the wall and ended up in the kitchen, in my kitchen living room. So let's get to it. So what we have to do first, we take the knobs off. And don't forget to turn the water off before you do anything like this. Now let's remove the hose. Now we have to unscrew it off, and this is actually the part we have to replace, the T. For that, now we have to remove those screws in the back to get it off, because we can't get it out like this. It's too tight in there, so we have to get that thing off. Gotta work around a little bit because there's some silicone caulking in there. Gotta get it off. Just be careful. There it is. We can get it up from the back side. Have to disconnect the water lines. Just kind of like tight on there. And put them in a bag. So here is this now. Now we can loosen those two. That one. This one. You don't really have to get it all out. Just if you get some space. So you can just, let's take it out so we don't have to mess with it. Get the old corking off there because that's where we need to put a new one in there later on. Okay, now that we have the screws off, we can take the whole part out of here. And now we can just push, and there's the part. And it was leaking. I don't know if you can see it, but just here somewhere there, and the other side doesn't look much better, so that's the bad part. Hi guys, today we're gonna change a faucet in my RV camper in the bathroom in a shower. It was leaking and I just found out by coincidence, so later on I show you what damage it actually did, because it was leaking behind it and ran down at the inside of the wall and ended up in the kitchen, in my kitchen living room. So let's get to it. So here is the new part. I only could get it in black, but now you gotta make sure that those two rubber O-rings, see them there, front and back, that they are on there. And then you just, there are notches on this one. You have to line it up and push it all the way in, and it locks in, just like that. And you do it on the other side too. So that's it. That's that part. So now we just have to put it this way back in here. Screw the water lines back on from the back. Just make sure they're all tight. Okay, just make sure you tie it up real good in the back, because later on there's no way of telling if it's leaking or not. So make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, so now we can screw it back on. Don't over tighten the screws, because they're just in that little flimsy, tiny, thin plastic. You don't want to mess that up. So that is that one. This is here now. Before it was up there, I just turned it around and put it on there. So now the next part is putting the outer cover on. Just like this. Screw that one back on. So now we can use some soap. Okay, if you paid attention, I turned it around, so I have the shower hose from down now. Before it was the upper side, I turned it around and have it on the lower side. Looks good to me.